How to check domain age using online tools. So there are many websites where you can go and put the name of the website, the address of the website, and it will show you the age. So there are a couple of websites. Use this one. I'll share the links to the other ones too. This one is simpler. Just come here and write down the website. You don't have to put HTTPS. You just put the address and click search. It will take some time, and after like a couple of seconds it will tell you when it was registered. So this was first registered on Friday 14th of July 1989. It was 36 years ago, and also there are days, months, and blah blah blah. So there are a couple of other ways to check it. Like, this is another website, but it comes with a lot of ads, and same goes for this one. So I kind of just use it. Like, the ads are not that like overwhelming. So I'll just leave this and links on the comment section below. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.